Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily Current Affairs, the 26th of July 2021. Question 1. In which city the G20 Environment and Energy Ministers talks have been organized? Answer: Naples. Question 2. Mirabai Chanu of India has won silver medal in how many kilogram category in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer: 49 kg category. Question 3. Inland Ships Bill 2021 has been introduced in. Answer: Lok Sabha. Question 4. Who has announced the portal for registration of children orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer: Central Government. Question 5. The central government has announced an investment of how many crore rupees for the expansion of laboratory testing infrastructure? Answer: 324,100 INR. Question 6. Which state's cabinet has approved the state's youth policy 2021? Answer: Meghalaya. Question 7. In which house of the Indian Parliament the Essential Defence Services Bill has been introduced? Answer: Lok Sabha. Question. Answer. Question 8. Which Indian Army's Vice Admiral Vinay has been awarded the Alexander Dalrymple Award by the UK? Answer: Indian Navy. Question 9. Which tiger reserve will organize online video competition on the Global Tiger Day the 29th of July? Answer: Karambi-Kulam Tiger Reserve. Question 10. In what country India's COVID-19 vaccine agreement has been terminated with the vaccine?